Welcome to our lesson on the muscular system. Today, we're going to explore one of the most dynamic systems in your body, the system responsible for every single movement you make. From blinking your eyes to running a marathon, your muscles are constantly at work. Let's discover how these incredible structures create movement and allow you to interact with the world around you. Your body contains over 600 individual muscles. These muscles make up approximately 40% of your total body weight, making the muscular system one of the largest systems in your body. There are 3 distinct types of muscle tissue, each with unique characteristics and functions. Together, these muscles provide 100% of your movement control, meaning every action you perform depends on muscle activity. The 3 types of muscle tissue serve different purposes. Skeletal muscle is responsible for voluntary movement of your bones. When you decide to walk, wave, or pick up an object, you're using skeletal muscles. Cardiac muscle is found exclusively in your heart, where it contracts rhythmically to pump blood throughout your entire life. Smooth muscle is located in the walls of your organs and blood vessels, performing involuntary functions like moving food through your digestive system. Let's focus on skeletal muscles, the movement masters of your body. These muscles have a unique structure consisting of long, striated fibers. Striated means they have a striped appearance under a microscope. Skeletal muscles attach to your bones through strong connective tissues called tendons. What makes skeletal muscles special is that they're under voluntary control. This means you consciously decide when to contract them. Their primary function is to create body movements by pulling on the bones they're attached to. Muscle contraction follows a fascinating process explained by the sliding filament theory. First, your brain sends an electrical signal through nerves to the muscle. When this signal reaches the muscle fiber, it triggers a mechanical process. Protein filaments inside the muscle begin to slide past each other, kind of like interlocking fingers sliding together. As these filaments slide, the entire muscle fiber shortens, creating the contraction that pulls on your bones and produces movement. 2 key proteins make muscle contraction possible: actin and myosin. Actin is the thin filament that forms the structural framework within the muscle fiber. Think of it as the track or rail system. Myosin is the thick filament equipped with tiny motor heads that do the actual work. These myosin heads grab onto the actin filaments and pull, like little motors walking along a track. The coordinated pulling action of billions of these protein pairs creates the force that makes your muscles contract. Muscles need energy to contract, and that energy comes from a molecule called ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate. When ATP breaks down into ADP, or adenosine diphosphate, it releases energy. This released energy powers the myosin heads, allowing them to pull on the actin filaments. Without ATP, your muscles couldn't contract. This is why you feel tired after intense physical activity. Your muscles have used up their available ATP and need time to produce more. Muscles work in coordinated pairs to create smooth, controlled movements. The muscle that contracts to create a movement is called the agonist. It's the primary mover doing the work. At the same time, the opposing muscle, called the antagonist, must relax to allow the movement to happen. This partnership is essential because muscles can only pull, they cannot push. By working in pairs, one contracting and one relaxing, your muscles can move your bones in multiple directions. Let's look at a practical example: bending your arm at the elbow. When you want to bend your arm, your biceps muscle, located on the front of your upper arm, acts as the agonist. It contracts and pulls your forearm upward. At the same time, your triceps muscle, located on the back of your upper arm, acts as the antagonist. It relaxes to allow your arm to bend. When you straighten your arm, the roles reverse. The triceps contracts while the biceps relaxes. Through the process of contraction and relaxation, paired muscles work together in harmony to move your bones and create every action your body performs. Whether you're writing, dancing, speaking, or simply breathing, your muscular system is constantly coordinating billions of protein interactions to make it all possible. Understanding how muscles create movement helps us appreciate the remarkable engineering of the human body and the incredible coordination happening inside us every single moment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.